See, imagine you're 3 years old. Imagine you're 3 years old and you're in a preschool and a teacher's trying to teach you empathy. And she says to you, here's my jersey coming out, says, how you doing? She says to you, tell him how he makes you feel when he doesn't share. And then another time, tell her how she made you feel when she said those words to you. And the programming that we get programmed, because all we are just supercomputers, is other people can make me feel a certain way. And then